Hello everyone, welcome to TechLabor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add password to your PDF file or password protect your PDF file. So this is the PDF file that we are going to password protect today, and if we open it right now you can see that no password is required. Now all I have to do is open any browser and then go to this website is ilovepdf.com, and once you are here just scroll down and then click on protect PDF, and as you can see here it says encrypt your PDF with a password to keep sensitive data confidential. I'll leave this link in the description of the video so that you can just click on it and then come to this page. Now once you're here, all you have to do is click on select PDF file and then select your PDF file and then click on open. Now as you can see the file is here, and here you have to type in the password. So I'm just going to do a simple password, let's say 112233, and then repeat the password 112233, and now all I have to do is just click on protect PDF and our file is ready. Now all I have to do is click here to download it, and now if I open the PDF file you can see that it is asking for the password. Now if I type in any wrong password and click on submit, you can see that it is not opening. But if I type in the right one, which is 112233, and then click on submit, the file opens up. And that is how you can password protect your PDF file or set password to your PDF. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.